Welcome to weekly analysis. Today it's a Saturday, then we are looking for the forecast. Just let me share my analysis on how I look at the market for the coming week, which will start on Monday. Uh, my name is Elias Rubona, the man behind the Big Forex School. Has a YouTube channel that uses smart money concept to analyze the market, that using market structures and the wave analysis to make sure we analyze the market in a good way. So, as a trader, I have my views on the coming week. So, let me share this moment with you. Okay, starting with the XY as the dollar sign, I am looking for I'm looking for the sell setup because as we see the market uh, was was playing in this zone. It touched it it touched the zone here down. It touched the zone at it touched the zone. This one touched here down. It came to this zone again. Touched here with the stop point, but finally it make a breakdown. So what I am expecting here is the market to come into a corrective way to this zone before we drop again. So what I can tell you now is you need to analyze the market in this zone. Okay, you need to analyze the market in that zone so that you can have the reversal structure or the setup that is occurring in this zone. But for me, I have spotted this order block here as the one I'm looking for, this last bullish candlestick here. It is the one I'm looking, and the market already touched it here, but you can expect another push to the upside to touch this level here, and then we drop down. Okay, let me let me come into small time frame so that I can see what is happening. What I can see here, I see this structure here. Yes, that is structure. We say the invalidation, so the market may turn to this. The market may turn to that zone before dropping. But don't forget that there was a certain setup here that the market respected. So the market may continue to fall from this level. Yes. Oh, let us continue now. After looking at this indicator, the XY for the USD pairs, let us have a look at the different instrument in the market. Let us look at the Euro USD. Last week, this were forecasted to fall and then to have a reversal at this level. The market went well and obeyed our setup. Can say the market dropped into this zone, and then we are we are we are we are, we are, we are looking for the buy setup because we have seen the reversal occurring at this zone here. What I can see now for the current price action, I can see the market will have to turn back. As I can see here, there is a break in the market structure. First of all, break in the market structure here. It is in BMS here with a significant break. So the market must turn to look this last bearish candlestick before this impulsive move that broke the structure here, and within that area, it's where we are going to analyze and to see those hidden structures here. So what we can see here, when we come into small time frame, we can find a certain setup that will be holding the price to the upside move. So when we look here, we can see there is a certain, let's say this one here. It is like validation X. Yeah, validation X. It will be helping us to it will be helping us to hold the price. So the market must turn here before going up. So for Euro USD, we must look the buy setup to this zone here. Okay. Now let us look another instrument here. Let me see. Gold. Yes. Our analysis went well because I see the down move of gold. So we were expecting the market to turn back here because the market broke the structure here. I can see here broke the structure, and then it must turn here to the invalidation X in order to fall more. So the market reacted and made that fall here, but what we can see here, we can see the setup, continuation setup here. You can see this Quasimodo setup. I think you remember Quasimodo, or other people say the head and shoulder that tracks the neckline level. But and you can see the market approaching that zone. It is in the consolidation. It is in the consolidation way. So what we are expecting this, we are expecting this one here to repeat here, so that we can break the downside move here. Okay. So gold, we must continue to hold our sell setup, but if you are not in the market, then you can come to small time frame so that you can put your order here. As we see here, there is another setup within the setup here. The market must turn back to this level here. Okay. So you can wait the market maybe to turn back here, then you can add your order. So the all the way we must look for the sell setup only for gold. Sell setup only. Another another instrument, GU GBP USD. So let us go in the first move so that we can save time. As you can see, the market was downside here, but it broke the structure, so the market must turn back here before we buy. GBP USD, we needed to buy. AUD USD, our setup was in the same. Our TP hit here, so we are expecting the buy setup. Since this was a downtrend and we broke the structure here in that 4-hour time frame, then the market must turn back to this order block, and then the market will be to the upside move. So AUD USD we need to buy. Another is GBP JPY. GBP JPY, Yes, the market. Well, from this zone, as you can say, I think you need to understand the trend first. The trend started here to here, then turned back, so we must go down to this, at least 80% of this. So as you can see here, the market is in the downside. It break this structure here. Now, turned back at that level before continuing to fall. So we need to sell GBP, GPY. Another, let's say, USD card the same. We were last week we see that was mode I can say. As you see here, the market made a stop point, then it broke the structure. So the market was coming down to this level here. That we say it is a quasi-model, we can say the invalidation before going up to take that high. Okay, so this was a level that we are looking for. So we need the market to react here before we go down. So the market either we may expect the short-term structural retest or the market before the market to break down, or the market may take this low, then come out to this invalidation level, then we form more to touch this zone again. So we need to wait the price action before entering our long-term sell setup. But for now, you need to sell at the short-term structural test to this level. So there is a scalping setup of selling. So we needed to sell this one. Another instrument, let us see NZD USD. NZD USD, the same applied. The market started here to here, touched here. We last week we forecasted to sell. The market went well to our TP. Now the market broke here, so it must turn back to this level before we continue to the upside. So NZD USD, I will be looking to buy. Another instrument is CAD CHF. I think this it is here now. CAD CHF, CAD CHF. It is approaching this zone. So according to this momentum, we must wait the price action before considering a short-term buy. Okay. Another, but it's Bitcoin. My friend, Bitcoin is just in the downside move. So from the current price, we can see the upside to this level before we continue to the downside. I think Bitcoin will go to 10K. Okay. It will go to 10K. If you are holding Bitcoin, my friend, sorry, sorry for that. I think you are bleeding in your heart now. Okay. Another, let us say, um, USD I think USD as you can see, we must look for the short-term sale because it touched here. It was from downside from this level touched here to here. We might look was a certain sale before we continue higher, or we broke this level back to this zone. Okay. So USD we must look for the sell setup. Another instrument here, let us see. I think gold. Gold is my favorite pair. I think you can see what is happening here. Uh, Gold, I think already discussing this. Gold is just a sell, my friend. We will sell gold. Gold already explaining this. Yeah, I think continue with another instrument. Let us see nasdaq. Nasdaq, the good, the one who make. Okay, nasdaq. I have seen think I have this weekly level that will hold the price to the upside. So the market must touch this zone first. So how how to deal with this for the coming week? As we see here, the market were in the downside move, but after touching here, the market made this level here. Okay, I think you can see this level here. It made like a stop point, then it broke the structure. It made the BMS at this level here. Okay, so at at this time we are expecting the market to come down. Okay, touch this level and then go up. Okay, the market were expected to touch this level, but it broke the zone and continued to the downside. And then this is a hidden, a failed invalidation or a failed Quasimodo. So the price must turn back at this before continuing downside. So from that level, we must sell. And since it is a weekend, we may expect the stop point to this zone, but we will react at this invalidation X, failed invalidation X. The wick may touch here before continuing to the downside. So I will be looking to sell nasdaq as well. Oh, I think we are through. What I can say, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Can I say, I'm expecting to announce the second entry of the class by July. So I think I will let you know when to start the class. If you'll be interested, you must join the big Forex school because we go bigger every day. We carry the market with the passion, with the good skills, strong psychological level, and uh, and with God, everything is possible. So welcome to Big Forex School. This is a home of big boys. If we wanted to go bigger, we must join Big Forex School. Yeah. Uh, to finish, let us see the oil. Yes, the oil is at my level, so I'm expecting to buy this US oil. If you are trading this kind of instrument, I think you know what to do here. You need to put your buy setup, and then your TP must be there. You must take, you must trade it that zone. Okay. Thank you for watching and welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Karibu sana. Asante kwa kutazama.